Alright guys, I have to show you this. If you've done surveillance systems before, you probably had to use these little bricks before, and they only hold about 4 each. They're only 5 amps, and man, you know what? It gets tiring just trying to strap these things up and put them somewhere. I gotta show you this piece. This right here, you can get them in like 9, 18, same manufacturer. They're on Amazon. All you have to put in is camera surveillance power system, and they're like 30 bucks. This one was 30 bucks. The 18 one is like 50 bucks Canadian, by the way. Went ahead and I mounted this, as you can see, with a couple sideways screws just to hold it up and to make sure it doesn't move from this position. And it's so easy to use. So when you're wiring it up, you just turn this off, give it a sec, wait for it all to do its thing. It's got these different colored lights. Now apparently they'll glow red on the circuit if it's shorting. I don't know, because I've never had to worry about that. Anyways, so you'll just run your video balun like you usually do, and then if you're running your power end of things, like I said, through that old power supply, now you'll just use this. You'll wire the negative into the negative, and then of course the positive into the positive. I usually do my dark color as the negative and my lighter color as the posi. So you can do whichever way you want or whichever way you wired, but it's as simple as put them into each. It doesn't come with the power cord. It does come with the fuses, comes with a couple spares too. And when you're all said and done, just plug it in with the 3-prong power cord. Now again, if you've got these, then you can just use one of the spares from here. If you don't know what that looks like, it's pretty much any cord you'd use for a computer power supply. And don't worry, it doesn't have to be super thick gauge because it's only 10 amps. Anyways, we go ahead, we flick this on, wait for it to power up. Power supply is on, which is good, and we're all in the green. Again, if you really wanted to, you could pop out the fuses of the ones you're not using. It's just up to you. It doesn't really matter. After you do that, you just close your box up, which I'm going to do in one sec here. I just have to kind of bend this around, and you close it up, and as long as that's on, you know you have power into your box. Super simple, and it's got the security key, so you can use the security key if you want to, and it is waterproof. It's got some waterproof grommet, so you could use some silicone and mount this outside if you wanted to, but the box itself is not waterproof, so I probably wouldn't mount it outside. Anyways, I hope that kind of gives you a review. Would I get this product again? Yeah, for the price, holy smokes, I highly recommend it. And that's your cool little Wednesday video on a neat little device I picked up.